Are you really protected? If you're a business owner, contractor, property manager, developer, or risk manager, chances are you've collected dozens, if not hundreds, of certificates of insurance, COIs, over the years. But here's an important question. Are you actually reviewing those certificates, or are you simply collecting them? Myth: collecting COIs automatically protects you. Many organizations assume that collecting a certificate of insurance automatically protects them from liability. Unfortunately, that's one of the most common mistakes in contractual risk transfer. What a COI really means: a certificate of insurance, COI, is a valuable document, but it has limitations. If critical details are overlooked, your company could face uninsured exposures, contractual violations, project delays, unexpected claims. A COI is only evidence of coverage at a specific point in time, not an automatic guarantee of compliance. Today's goal: protect your business. Today, we'll walk through a practical 10-step COI review checklist you can use to strengthen risk management, improve compliance, better protect your business from liability. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify the named insured. Is this the exact company performing the work? Many businesses operate under multiple names or DBA structures. If the entity on the COI doesn't match the one in your contract, you may have a compliance issue. Always verify that the legal name on the COI matches your agreement. Step 2. Verify the insurance carrier. Not all insurance companies are created equal. Review carrier name, policy information, financial stability. It's not just about coverage, it's about the carrier's ability to pay. Step 3. Review policy effective dates. One of the most common compliance failures involves expiration dates. Review policy effective and expiration dates. Project timeline. Coverage must remain active for the whole project duration. Never assume coverage remains active after the certificate is issued. Step 4. Verify required coverages. Compare the coverages listed on the COI against your contract. Common coverages: commercial general liability, workers' compensation, commercial auto liability, umbrella liability, professional liability. A missing coverage could create significant exposure. Step 5. Review policy limits. Coverage limits are just as important as coverage type. Check if minimums are met: $1 million per occurrence, $2 million general aggregate, $1 million auto liability, $5 million umbrella. Limits must meet or exceed contractual requirements. Step 6. Confirm additional insured requirements. Many contracts require you to be an additional insured. A COI may reference it, but true evidence is the actual endorsement by the insurer. Request and review the endorsement itself. Remember, the endorsement provides the real protection. Step 7. Verify waiver of subrogation requirements. Many contracts also require a waiver of subrogation. This waives the insurer's right to seek recovery from another party. Check that the endorsement has been properly issued, not just referenced on the COI. Never assume compliance based on certificate language alone. Step 8. Review the description of operations section. Often overlooked but critical. This section may include project names, site info, contract references. Carefully review for accuracy. Mistakes here can create disputes later. Step 9. Verify certificate holder information. The correct legal entity should be listed as certificate holder. Verify company name, ownership entity, address, project entity if applicable. Small mistakes can cause big problems during claims. Step 10. Request supporting endorsements. Strong COI review means collecting proof, not summaries. Whenever required: additional insured status, waiver of subrogation, primary and non-contributory language. Request copies of endorsements. Endorsements provide real evidence of coverage. How COI review failure can lead to a claim. Imagine a general contractor hires a subcontractor who submits a COI. The contractor files it away without proper review. Months later, an electrical fire causes damage and a lawsuit follows. Investigation reveals insufficient liability limits, missing additional insured endorsement, no waiver of subrogation, policy expired before the loss. A simple admin task turns into a major legal problem. Why a formal review process matters. A few minutes verifying documentation up front can prevent months or years of disputes later. The goal: make sure your risk transfer program works when you need it most. Common COI review mistakes: collecting certificates without reviewing them, failing to compare the COI against contract requirements, assuming certificate language guarantees coverage, ignoring policy expiration dates, not requesting endorsements, not maintaining a compliance tracking system. Best practices for COI management: implement a formal process, standardized review procedures, contract verification, expiration tracking, endorsement collection, compliance audits, centralized storage, annual review of requirements. Consistency is key. The goal is compliance and reduced risk. Recap: 10-step COI Review Checklist. 1. Verify the named insured. 2. Verify the insurance carrier. 3. Review policy effective dates. 4. Verify required coverages. 5. Review policy limits. 6. Confirm additional insured requirements. 7. Verify waiver of subrogation requirements. 8. Review the description of operations. 9. Verify certificate holder information. 10. Request supporting endorsements. Key takeaways. A certificate of insurance is evidence of coverage, not proof of full contract compliance. Businesses that verify, document, monitor, and audit insurance compliance are the ones truly protected. Thank you. For more resources on business insurance, risk transfer, and management strategies, visit www.montridgeinsurance.com. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in the next webinar.